What a great honor to be here tonight. It's a pleasure to celebrate the National Day of Curaçao. My thanks goes to the Minister Plenipotensiario of Curaçao, Mr. Carlson Manuel. I asked him if I was allowed to tell all my stories of Curaçao. He told me, I don't think so, so here it goes. It's a pleasure to be celebrating this special occasion with you. Tonight we're not only celebrating any particular day. We're celebrating pride, identity, and connection. Curaçao celebrates today not only its National Day, but also 15 years as an autonomous country within the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Special milestone on 10-10-10, we always like that figure, it's 10-10-10, you chose it nicely. Curaçao together with St. Martin got their status aparte. That's what Aruba also got almost 40 years ago in 1986. So we're bonded with them today. This new status gave Curaçao space to grow and be independent. And look at Curaçao today. A country with its own voice, its own character. A country that is proud of its culture, its food, its passion for music. And today they thrive under tourism. I can tell you that because every year I go to the Curaçao North Sea Jazz Festival. Hopi ambiente, Kòrsou na hopi dush. Since 1010, Curaçao took enormous steps. Growing economy, growing culture, and they have shown that with pride and creativity, they can achieve everything they want. We know the feeling. For us, it was 40 years ago as a small island that we got our status aparte, and the refinery closed that year. So very quickly, we had to learn how to stand what we call op eigen benen staan. Thanks to perseverance and the love of our people. And I see the same with Curaçao. We thrive and we move forward. No está fuerte y no está seguidilante. Look at Curaçao today. They can be proud of their culture, their music. Quem não dá gusto carne estobada, caquinho, tentalaria? I love them. I was lucky enough to be at the Dia de Bandeira di Kòrsou this year at Broodfabriek. What a party! The music, the energy, the people, it was like being at home. Even if it's the Aruba Dag or it's Dia de Kòrsou, we love those days because we feel like being at home, the warmth of our people. Today we stand together as friends, neighbors, brothers, within the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Aruba, St. Martin, Saba, St. Eustatius, Bonaire, Netherlands, and Curaçao. We share a past, but most importantly, we share a future. One that, working together, respect is central. On behalf of the government of Aruba, I would like to congratulate all Curaçao and the people of Curaçao today with this special day. Feliz Dia Nacional de Kòrsou, boa noite e pa bien.